My name is Will, and I'm set to retire from the military after 23 years of service. So that means now it's time for me to figure out what I'm going to be when I grow up. I read the career changing books, I did the exercises, and everything pointed me towards the IT field. After being lost in the sauce for a while because the IT field is huge, I stumbled across this video put out by Yellowtail Tech called The Biggest Myth in IT. This video was pure gold because it offered me a level of insight and clarity I had not discovered on my own. I reached out to Yellowtail and ended up getting 45 minutes of mentorship from someone experienced in the IT field. And I was shown how I can get from where I'm at right now to an IT professional with relevant skills, certifications, and experience. What made me take the leap forward was family. First and foremost, I'd do anything to take care of mine. Next, I watched every single success story on their website. I've seen every time they celebrate one of their students' victories on IG. I even witnessed how much they poured into me during a career strategy session. Everything I had experienced up to this point has shown me that Yellowtail is a family. And families go to great lengths to look out for their own. And that's why I took the leap. Thanks for watching. Peace.